You know what I do, that is really, it's a very hectic thing to have a motor vlogging setup, and selecting the right goods are also a matter of concern, because really every time I need to do a 3 time clap before I switch off my audio and my video, and even I start again. Anyways, हैबिट हो जाएगा, आदत आ जाएगी. And you know what, I'm not so good in Hindi, and yeah, I'm quite comfortable in English, but कभी कभार हो जाता है ना कि अटक जाते कि अब क्या बोलेंगे, इसीलिए ही थोड़ा बहुत प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है. Anyways, no problem. Yesterday I did come over here to fill up, cause I always do prefer people to buy petrol from Reliance, cause really they give you a good quality petrol, obviously. Anyways, 51 52 up on my 51 52 on my bike. Yeah, obviously not more than this. धीरे धीरे पहुंच जाएंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. माँ बुला रही है हमें, दुर्गा माँ बुला रही है. Obviously, the idol which even in Hindi and even in Bengali means throat, lips. So, as I said you, Lord Vishnu cut Shakti into 51 pieces. So, luckily, the lips fell over there. So from that onwards, the place has been come to known as Ottohash. So yeah, really, I would strongly recommend you all guys to go, cause it has got some reads. So we should always obey the traffic rules, not because it is written over there, but because you should always wear a helmet while you ride. Then gloves, yeah, it's a semi-necessary things. If you are doing a short ride, then it's all right, you no need to do it. And if you are doing a long ride, then I would, yeah, definitely. একটু ধরে বসো, নাহলে পড়ে না যেও. হ্যাঁ, empty. I am a fond of strong roads, and वो ऐसा होता है ना कि दोनों साइड में ट्रीज होंगे. As I have said you earlier, guys, that this is my very first motor vlog, so I hope that you people can understand my desperations. So क्या बोलेंगे अब हम, भाई बोलो. Well, what I have found, the craze of riding was there inside me since I was a little kid. Therefore, what I do feel about riding is, it's an expression of thought, it's an expression of your emotion, and a kind of behavior which you should enjoy alone, right? Nothing should be there with you. Gloves, a helmet, a nice safety gear, a bag, a bike with a full tank of petrol, and you set your legs off the ground and you roll the wheels. So yeah, देखो हम बोल रहे थे, I like this kind of roads a bit. Trees होंगे, बीच में से रास्ता जाएगा, वाह वाह वाह, really बांदेरा. हाँ, पूरा एकदम सा स्मार्ट लगना चाहिए भैया, ठीक है. एक्वागार्ड. I don't have so much of a financial crisis in my house, so I can spend money a lot of on my personal passions and other things. Passions, yeah, definitely it's a very good thing, but you should have the pocket support to achieve it, right? Well, I do feel sorry for these peoples who are going, cause you see, I'm now driving at 62. Let's say the car is also moving at 62 kilometers per hour. with no safety, no nothing. They are just sitting over there due to some little amount of money which they will be getting for. Obviously, it's a current situation of our India. Underemployment stage is going on, but I do believe that this situation will end. Well, let me wave them a hi. Well, वो देखेंगे क्या? मुझे नहीं लगता कि देखेगा. चा पियेची खूप. You know, it's tea. Tea is kind of a love. All my क्या बोलेंगे आपको, वो अमृत है. ठीक है, in this parthiv world, in this living world, that is a amrit kind of thing. I'm not talking about coffee. I'm not a coffee person at all. But tea, wow. हाय उन्हें तो बात ही मत करो. Well, you know what? As I thought that उन लोगों के सामने ही जाके चाय पियेंगे, देखते हैं क्या बोलता है. ठीक है? No problem, nothing will happen. Feel free. Well, what we thought that we'll just be going over there. We'll stand near those officers and we'll have tea. Yeah, that will be definitely a very good thing to be there. Namo. Some tea. Last चलिए शुरू करते हैं अपना यात्रा. তাড়াতাড়ি ঢুকে যাবো তো, এই দিক দিয়ে যাওয়া যাবে না? না এই ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে, বেশ বেশ বেশ, धन्यवाद दादा. तो हमने उस भैया से पूछ भी लिया है कि किधर से जाना है एंड ही हैज इंस्ट्रक्टेड अस. ओके, मैप्स खोल लिया. हाँ, we are doing the vlog in Hindi and even in English. So sir, a request to you, if you are means, you know, I'm just trying that I will try to explore and to show you all people as much as I could, as much as my battery will endure. So अब क्या बोलेगा भैया? हाँ, चल रहा है. Yeah, battery backup of my action camera is too good, I must say. This is a local river, well, which is no name on the Google map, but to be very honest, there is actually a name which is इच्छा नदी. वो माना जाता था कि obviously we have reached, bro, after a long car parking.